Since so many years, we keep following our dreams, researching and exploring, only to provide better shock absorber in the world. Reduce the injustice of the world. It defines comfort and gives you and your family a more perfect ride. It walked by, leaving you the boundless plain. Zhejiang Gold Shock Absorber Corporation. In January 2008, Zhejiang Gold Shock Absorber Company Limited was incorporated in Guangzhou, the capital of entrepreneurship, and embarked on the road of development. In the past 10 years, gold has been on the rise and has made continuous progress. From creation to development, from development to growth, we always insist on providing customers with technical solutions and supporting products that match the vehicle's vibration damping system and whole vehicle to create value for customers. All the time, we have always achieved steady growth and development. Along the way, we lead the Chinese shock absorbers to start a new journey and go global.